Which hill is harder to climb? The steeper one, right? Today let's learn how maths measures steepness. This is gradient. Gradient means rise over run. Rise is how far up you go. Run is how far across. Divide rise by run to get the gradient. In y equals mx plus c, the letter m is your gradient. So in y equals 3x plus 2, the gradient is 3. Positive gradient slopes upward like climbing a hill. Negative gradient slopes downward like going down. The sign tells you the direction. Students often read the number before x without rearranging first. Always rewrite the equation as y equals mx plus c before picking out m. Remember, rise over run, r over r. Find m in y equals mx plus c and you have your gradient. That's your exam tip. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.